What's up everyone, I'm here with another great video. This time I'll be going through the install and functions of these awesome color changing Wi-Fi enabled LED string lights. You can set these to a natural color or spice things up a bit with a holiday theme, set to your favorite color or whatever else. It's about a month away from Halloween, so I'll be going orange and purple for the next 30 days. By the way, you can do all of this right from your phone. I've used the Lumary products before in a previous video with their color changing recessed lights. They're highly rated and you can find all of these linked down in my description below. These come with an extra bulb, and if one bulb fails in the 56-foot line, the rest of the lights will still work, unlike Christmas lights. I'm going to brush and dust off this entire area because there's a lot of spider webs up here. And I'll clean up this nest that's up here. These birds come back every year and rebuild, so it's pretty cool to watch. I'll begin by measuring my full distance around this porch to make sure the lights reach. These are 56 feet long, which is actually quite a bit. If you plan on installing these lights in long spans across your yard or something, I will have a video on tying your lights to wire in an upcoming video. You'll definitely need that wire setup and kit so your wires don't sag and eventually pull apart. I don't care what brand lights you have or how much you paid, no electrical wires are meant to be pulled apart. As for the small porch area, I'm just going to be using some white hooks for hanging. These run about $5 for the pack of 40. You can just use nails if you're on more of a budget and bend them with a hammer. I am remodeling this house though for resale in the next couple of years, and the little details matter to me here. Although I'm thinking a tongue and groove ceiling here would be really cool. This little knob on my ladder was a huge help in holding my wire as I strung it across. To start, I'm putting hooks into the very beginning and my first corner. I will add more hooks in between these as needed, depending on the ideal sag I want when it's all hung up. To put these hooks in, I am pre-drilling with the tiniest drill bit I have and then screwing in the hooks by hand. And now you can see here I'm putting those hooks in between where there weren't hooks before. You can also see I have old hooks that were already here. I guess the previous owner hung plants, so I'm using those temporarily. These lights do come with an on and off switch, so make sure you place that on the side where your outlet is on your house. You can see I started my run here, and I made the first run really tight. You see it's hugging right up there close to the ceiling, or to that beam, all the way across, and then I droop the second run. So on my way back, I make it a little bit more loose, and it just makes it, I mean, this whole area will be a lot more brighter that way. Everyone's distances are going to be a little bit different, so play around with yours, see how it fits in there, and then maneuver it, wiggle it around however you need to. I added a bunch more hooks on there, so again, I made the first run tight, and the second one droop, so I needed about twice the hooks to come back. I've done runs where they go 200 feet long or 100 feet long, and so you just have one string going across. I mean, there's multiple ways to do this. Every situation is different, but I think this is going to be pretty cool. I'm going to have it crisscrossing with the lights, so it's going to be full of light in this area. I'll get some night shots here tonight. The connection with these lights are waterproof, which is nice because the lights I installed at the Airbnb in the other video required a separate waterproof insulator box like this. So if you want to connect multiple lines, you won't need this. These lights come with really good instructions for connectivity, but basically just download the app, ignore the wood stain I can't remove from my screen cover, add a new device, connect everything to Wi-Fi and Bluetooth, hold the power button down for 5 seconds, wait for the lights to blink, and you're connected and ready to mess around with the features. Alright, let's go through the app. There's several pre-made scenes you could choose from and edit colors for. You can see mine are set to a Halloween pattern here. You can change to blinking or the dazzle features. Again, change the colors here if you wish. There are normal natural colors to choose from, or daylight looks, or pick any color you want. Here's purple. You can even mix and match individual light colors, so here's me quickly making a Christmas pattern. These lights are a lot more colorful in person. Imagine taking a picture of a sunset. It never looks as good on camera as it does in person. And once edited, I'm going to save the themes as Halloween and Christmas so I can use them again next year. As you can see, it's extremely simple to do. I just latched them onto the hooks that I put up there, adjusted them based off of the distance that I had to work with here. I hooked everything up to the Lumary app, which already holds my recessed lights and is going to hold my landscaping lights I'm installing here in a couple of weeks. Everything is color changing, and you can change all those colors and manipulate the scenes and everything right from that app on your phone. If you've never seen my channel before, I have been using Lumary for about 2 years now with other projects. They're extremely durable, they're easy to use, and they've lasted to this day. They're also continuing to put out brand new products like these string lights, and just like the landscaping lights I'm going to install here. Thank you everyone for checking out Cali Concepts. I will see you all on the next video. Do not forget to hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. I'll see you on the next one.